So here is my truck. The detail, you can see right here. The bumper guards. Y'all let me know what color I should change it to after the show. I think I'm gonna keep the bumper guards black though. But y'all let me know what color I should change this to. I like this part.
So they're putting chrome on it tomorrow.
All chrome?
It's gonna be Tron. Like
okay.
the Tron.
Is this
pattern.
the color right here?
That's one of them, yeah.
Okay.
And that's why like this is super fun because they'll do wild stuff and like you'll be like that won't work, and then all of a sudden you're like, dude, okay, that was really good.
Right.
Like the rugged with the blue on a Porsche, we were like rugged like is like you think of like off-road truck and stuff, right?
Right.
Dude, it was so incredible. We have the rugged in
Now, I'm gonna definitely come back to see that Tron color. I gotta see how that looks,
sure,
man.
So what you said, this one?
They're gonna make it this color tomorrow.
Oh shit. How much
They rewrapping it for each day.
Along the trim, and you gonna do the rest that blue color?
I'm thinking about the midnight blue. I don't know. I might mess around and redo the interior. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Good. This your company?
Yeah, you know, this is my truck.
This your truck?
Yeah, they're using my truck. Yeah.